Are you ready to go inside a Leaf Book Art subscription box? I'm pretty excited to show you this one. So here is the box. And first of all, as soon as I opened it up, look at that gorgeous tissue paper. That is like some of the most beautiful tissue paper. It's like I want to save it and do something with it. I think I will. All right, so inside a Leaf Book Art box, we have, ta-da! You get a book, obviously, and in this one, we got Tiny Perfect Things. I have not read this one, but it looks absolutely beautiful. The front cover is kind of a raised texture kind of experience, and the pictures are pretty cool. So the neat thing with this box with Leaf Book Art is you get a book and then you get the supplies for the kids to do their own book binding and make their own book. I think that is pretty spectacular. So in this one, we got Tiny Perfect Things. And then inside we have all of our supplies to do our book making activity. Plus it has this fun little crinkle paper. Love that stuff to do other art projects with. We do all sorts of things with that. Okay, so let's open up the Leaf Book Art box. Ta-da, ta-da. Ooh, there's some more of that cool tissue paper that I love. I've never seen that kind before. Okay, all right, look how amazing inside this is. So many things. All right, I'm gonna pull out the biggest thing I see here first and show you. So it comes with some laminated activities. It looks like this is a matching game. And for the story pictures here, and let me dig a little deeper here. So it looks like the activity is to make an accordion book with pockets. And you can draw or write about things that you are thankful for. So it gives all of the directions. Let's make a book. All the direction pages. And then here's another really cool feature about this, as it gives an adaptive educational booklet guide. So for kids who may have autism, it gives you some different things that you can do and different ways that you can adapt this. Wow, it just comes with so much stuff. So bookbinding kit, it is making an accordion book, and it even comes with, oh my gosh, guys, there's just so much stuff in here. It comes with Crayola markers, the little pipsqueak ones. I love these, especially for little hands. You've got your glue stick. You've got story pictures. Let's take a peek inside these story pictures. Oh my gosh. Look at all of these, and they're all laminated. That is amazing. And labeled. I can think of so many activities you could do with this besides even telling stories. And there's different little papers, all the different materials you're going to need to create your book, labels, even pencil to work with. Get back in there. And then it looks like there's another little activity called Go Find It. Check that out. These cards, I've never seen these. The fantastically fun way to explore nature. Oh, wow. I bet you take like a card and then they have to go find something bumpy. What a great way to build a vocabulary. All right, I'm just digging through here, but man, oh man, I cannot wait to look at this some more because this looks just absolutely amazing. And what an amazing value for kids to read a book and then make their own book. Plus the bonus that if your child may have autism, this is a perfect way to use it to adapt it. And I can see this not just being a one-shot deal, but using these materials and resources over and over again. So I am super impressed with Leaf Book Art. Until next time.